In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your profile picture on Microsoft Teams. If you've ever found yourself wanting a change or simply prefer not to have a profile picture at all, you're in the right place. We'll go through each step clearly and methodically, making sure you feel confident about the process. First, let's start by opening Microsoft Teams on your device. Whether you're using the desktop app or the web version, the steps remain quite similar. Once you have Teams open, you'll want to click on your profile picture or initials, which you'll find in the top right corner of the window. This brings a drop-down menu, showing you your current profile details. Next, you need to click on the Settings option from the drop-down menu. When you're in the settings, you'll see several tabs on the left side. The tab you need to click on is labeled General. Once you're in the General settings, look towards the top where you'll see a small image of your current profile picture, or perhaps just your initials if you haven't set one yet. Now, to make the change you're looking for, click on that picture or initials. A new window will open, showing you the option to change picture. Here's where you can modify your profile picture settings. Since our goal today is to remove the picture altogether, you'll look for the option to delete or remove the picture. You might notice an option or a trash can icon indicating deletion. Click on this to clear your current profile picture. At this point, it's important to verify that the change has taken place. Go back to your profile settings and notice if it defaults back to your initials. If you see your initials, or a default silhouette, that's how you know that you've successfully removed the picture. Before you finish up, let's talk about why someone might want to remove their profile picture. For some, it's about maintaining privacy, especially in professional settings, or simply preferring a less personalized virtual space. Whatever your reason, managing your virtual presence to suit your needs is totally within your reach. As you wrap up these steps, remember to close out your settings and get back to your main Microsoft Teams window. Just double-check your profile picture area one last time to make sure everything looks the way you want it. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can easily remove your profile picture on Microsoft Teams whenever you wish. This small change can make a big difference in presenting yourself just the way you want. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating on Teams.